So we are headed southwest to Bourbon State Fishing Lake in southeastern Kansas. And this is a 103-acre lake. It's got free camping. It should be a good time. Saturday afternoon. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get a good camping spot, or at least something. But it has a waterfall. I know the waterfall goes on between like April and June, something like that. But sometimes they also let the water out at different times. So I'm kind of hoping to see a 30-foot waterfall. It's supposed to be really cool. This is an hour away from my house. I am really surprised that I've never seen anything like this, or I've never seen this before. Love waterfalls. But yeah, so that's where we're headed now, and hopefully we get a good camping spot and are able to set up and get everything ready to go. We're gonna do a little cooking tonight, and I brought the magnet so Kaden can go magnet fishing out of the lake to see if there's anything there. Other than that, yeah, we're just gonna chill. We're gonna put the tents up and relax and bring you with us. Okay, everybody, we just got to camp, and check this out. We got a nice little spot. I was kind of worried that we weren't because it's Saturday, but yeah, it's really windy out here too. I don't know. Hope this is picking up okay for you, but nice flat place to camp, picnic table, fire pit with wood already ready. I mean, it's like what kind of camp do you want? This kind of camp. Just beautiful. Nice little turnaround. We're good. This is going to be a good time. So we're going to go ahead and get camp set up. And when we're done getting camp set up, we're going to probably start making some food and enjoying the rest of the day. So come along with us while we do that. Well, after having camp all put away, tents up, all the gear is out, ready to go for the day, we've decided to go ahead and go down to the waterfall. And as you can see, there's definitely no water in this waterfall. It looks like it's just, well, fall. But anyway, look at this beautiful place. It is not a small thing to be standing on the top of a 30-foot cliff, overlooking what looks to be unworldly. Definitely should not be here in Kansas. No, it definitely looks like somewhere out west. An amazing journey that happens right in your backyard is a blessed opportunity, and one that we have found sanctuary in. To be able to spend this time with my son as we travel through, looking at some amazing sights, looking at this amazing waterfall that falls every spring, 30 feet all the way, the mist that comes up, what a sight there is to see, that we will see again this spring. I look forward to being able to capture that video and those pictures in that moment, to see the spray come up in our faces, to gather the sun against my skin, and to be able to retell this story to you in a way that you could actually smell it and feel it. But until then, we travel back to our camp. Okay, so tonight we're having burgers and brats, and I'm getting ready to cut up some onions and tomatoes and lettuce and get that going. So stick around. This is going to be delicious. All right, so tonight we're having burgers, cheeseburgers, brats, and I'm going to cut up some tomato and onion. I've already got lettuce and pickles ready to go. And yeah, it should be very delicious. Excited. Kind of windy today, and just having an issue getting my pan warm enough, but it's like we got it squared away. And yeah, pretty excited about dinner tonight. We were gonna do it over the fire. It's kind of windy. I don't know. Might have a fire after the sun goes down and the wind kind of dies down a little bit. Until then, though, we're gonna do it on the stove tonight, just so that we don't have any issues. Definitely don't want any of that. So, but yeah, funny story. A part of the video where we were walking around the waterfall. I'm kind of new to this, as you guys know, but literally forgot to turn on my microphone. So all that footage we got of us walking around, I got some drone footage, which was nice, but all that footage I got with us like walking there, walking around, no sound. So you probably heard me either do a voiceover or something. That's a newbie mistake, I believe, is what they call that. So hopefully I don't do that again. I doubt I will, but yeah, so that happened. And I had to make sure I went over. It's really windy. I wanted to make sure you can hear me because of the wind. And I was like, well, I guess I better get the microphone. I guess I better turn it on. So I had a little bit of a chuckle I wanted to share with you. Again, newbie mistakes. And that won't happen again. All these little things that I'm not used to, like, thinking about making these videos for you guys, which I love and enjoy. It's kind of new. So, yeah. But anyway, I'm going to continue to make some food. Follow along with me as I do. This looks so yummy. It looks good. We'll see if it tastes good. It tastes good too. Oh my god. Mm. Can't beat, like, you can't see, but can't beat this view right here. This view right here. The taste of a burger. A good cold beer. I'm not, I don't normally drink this. I'm just giving it a shot. It's okay. It's a Dunkel by Casey Beer Co. But it's cold, and yeah, so that's what I'm having tonight. But I'm gonna eat this food. I'm gonna hang out with my son. We're gonna build a fire and enjoy the rest of the night. The beauty out here is just amazing. I think that for Kansas, this is a pretty cool place. The water is really nice. I've seen tracks for a raccoon. Of course, there's lots of like blue herons, ducks, birds, just frogs. I saw some cat tracks. I'm not good with that, but they had the claws at the end. Big, pretty big, about the size of my palm. So I know that they're out here. I don't know if it's bobcat or what. Probably more than likely bobcat. We have mountain lion out here too, so just not very seen very often. But wanted to take a quick walk down here to the lake, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoy. What a really cool day it's been. We got into a awesome camp spot. We got to explore a really cool waterfall area. Can't wait to see what that looks like in the spring. It's close to the house, within an hour, a little over an hour actually. We have a beautiful campfire. We have an amazing sunset going on. We have full bellies and a lot of appreciation for what we have, and very thankful to be able to experience this. Gonna call it a night, but until then, stay adventurous.